Greetings and annyeonghaseyo to you all car lovers, car enthusiasts, car junkies and the like. Welcome to my channel, and before I begin, I'd like to say a few moments of thanks. I'd like to give a shout out to Hyundai Cebu South for allowing me to video shoot their vehicles. Again, shout out to Hyundai Cebu South. And now, let's go back inside and back to the action. Welcome back, and what you're looking at is a 2017 brand new Hyundai Accent diesel, and this will be a full in-depth tour. I'll be showing you the interior and exterior. We'll do start up, show the engine, exhaust, and here's the keys. And so, without further ado, let's begin. Of course, to open, key fob's with you. Since it's locked, let's lock. Very nice. Yep. As you went inside, you'll be greeted by your window switch, locks, window lock, side view mirror adjustments, manual height adjuster, recline, and slide for both the driver and the passenger, but in terms of height adjuster, it's only the driver who gets this adjustment. And of course, trunk, fuel door, and the hood. Very nice, roomy, 3-spoke design. So to start, it's a key start engine. Insert the key here. See it? See everything. Get your trip button. And now, let's check your AC unit or audio unit. 4 speakers. You get your USB auxiliary. Very nice. Very nice. You get your side view mirror adjustment. Very nice. Let's get to the right side. Very nice. It's on the headlights. High beam. This is a fixed steering wheel. Got your hazard. Now let's check the exterior. "14-inch steel rims with center cap, front disc, rear drums. Very nice. Side turning lamps. Very nice. Wheel door. And on the back, you got your rear combination taillights with reflectors, accent badge, logo, and diesel badge, license plate lights. Right here, carriage. Got the exhaust, Very simple. Compact car. In the front, got the grille, halogen headlamps with turning lights. And now, let's pop the hood. And here is your diesel engine, 1.6 liter, naturally aspirated diesel engine. Chokes out 126 PS at 4,000 RPM and 26.5 kilogram meter. A torque at between 1500 and 3500 RPM. Very nice. Now, let's close the hood. Now that the hood's closed, it's time to get back inside. Lights off. Hazard. Now, start the engine. Press the clutch. Make sure it's in neutral. I know. Very nice startup. Very smooth. Good horn. Very nice. Now let's get to hear the sound. Very nice. Now let's get to hear from the engine. Here's your engine bay. Now let's get to the exhaust. That's your exhaust. Now let's get back inside. Very nice. Light switch, wiper switch, AC control, very simple. Temperature control, zone, circulation switch, lighter, 12-volt socket, cup holder, bottle holder, storage in the back, 6-speed manual. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. Go reverse, lift the pin, right here. Very nice. Parking brake, very nice. Side vent, venti mirror, very nice. Another one here, vanity mirror. Now, time to shut it down. Let's get to the back side. Alright, side. No armrest here, but that's okay, as long as I'm comfortable. My height is 5'8.5". Still get decent legroom, decent knee room, and headroom. Good enough. Four speakers on the side, front and rear. Close up your get, easy control, and your rear defogger. Dome light. Very nice. And bar. Beautiful. Let's get to the trunk. To open, it's either using this, or you can use the key fob right here. Press and hold. Very nice. You got your third brake light. Decent storage. Very nice. Spare wheel here. Very nice. Now, let's get to the passenger side. And before I forget, for the driver and passenger, you got your storage and your bottle holder. Nice. Get your glove compartment. Ashtray here, attachable. Again, storage. Very nice. Rear view mirror. Beautiful. Well, I hope you guys enjoy my in-depth tour of the 2017 Hyundai Accent. If you have any questions, suggestions, feel free to comment, like and share to your friends. And as always, thanks for watching. Yumabsobida, mabuhay, and good day. And before I forget, make sure you click the link to my YouTube channel and watch out for my next videos. Thank you.